In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Wix 2026 guide. Hiding a section in the Wix editor is a great way to keep content ready behind the scenes without showing it to your visitors. It's perfect for seasonal promotions, draft layouts, or any content you want to save for later. We'll move through the process step by step so you can confidently control what appears on your live site. First, enter the site editor. Sign in at Wix.com and head to your site's dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Home, then choose Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor, where you can make visual changes to your pages. Give it a moment to load fully so all tools are available. Next, enable Developer Mode, sometimes labeled Dev Mode, from the top of the editor. Turning this on unlocks the Properties and Events panel and API-related controls that let you manage how elements behave when the page loads. Don't worry, enabling Dev Mode doesn't force you to code. It simply exposes more detailed settings so you can adjust visibility with precision. If you don't see the Properties panel later, double-check that Dev Mode is toggled on. Now, configure your section's visibility. Click directly on the section you want to hide to select it. You should see its bounding outline and name. Look to the Properties and Events panel, usually at the bottom right. In the default values or API reference area, you'll find the visibility options. Choose Hidden on Load to make the section invisible while it still holds its space on the page. This is useful if you plan to reveal it dynamically later without shifting your layout. Alternatively, choose Collapsed on Load to hide the section and remove the space it occupies, allowing the rest of your content to move up. This keeps your page looking clean with no empty gaps. In the editor, a hidden or collapsed section appears faint or nearly transparent, which is your visual confirmation that it won't show on the live site. If you work with different breakpoints, remember that your layout may vary by device, so review those states as needed. Finally, finalize your changes. Confirm the element ID in the Properties panel so you're editing the correct section and not a nested element. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top right corner. Your visibility settings go live immediately, and you can return at any time to unhide the section by reversing the checkbox you selected. That's it. With these steps, you can manage content visibility effortlessly while keeping your site organized and ready for future updates.